Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Today you will learn about the safe operating principles of a chip spreader to help you be a safer operator. Also known as aggregate spreaders, chip spreaders are used to evenly lay down stone chips for road surfacing. The process of using small compacted stones to lay a road originated in Scotland in 1815 under the civil engineer John Loudon McAdam. Originally this was done by laying sand and stones on the roadbed and then spraying them with water. The water would cause the sand to bind the stones in place, creating stronger roads than had previously been possible. Coal tar eventually replaced water as the binding agent, and in the 1920s asphalt was introduced. Then, in 1935, Frederick Melrose Harawena Hansen of New Zealand developed the chip seal method where asphalt was laid down onto the road and was then covered with aggregate by hand. This process was cheaper than other types of road construction, though it had its drawbacks. In modern road construction, chip spreaders have improved the quality of the road by mechanically laying down even layers of aggregate. Understanding how these machines work and how to safely work around them will help keep you from serious injury on the job site. Consider the following case study. In 2002, a crew was chip sealing a roadway in Iowa. The chip spreader was traveling over the surface, pulling the dump truck behind them. There were 3 crew members. One was driving the spreader, one was in the truck, and the third crew member was working the front hopper. The employee working the hopper leaned over to correct a problem and lost his balance. He fell off the front of the spreader and into the path of the wheels. The chip spreader and the attached dump truck ran over the employee, killing him instantly. The employee had worked for the company for over 2 years already and was considered an experienced worker. However, he failed to maintain a safety-minded approach to his work and paid the ultimate price. Had he followed a few basic safe practices, he might still be alive today. Understanding how to safely operate and work around a chip spreader will prevent accidents such as the one from the case study from occurring at your site as well. As mentioned earlier, our goal today is to help you become a safe chip spreader operator. To do this, today's training will cover the basic anatomy of a chip spreader as well as how to conduct a proper pre-shift inspection before each use. Next, we will go over safe machine operation and what you need to be aware of while operating a chip spreader. You'll also learn about the different personal protective equipment that you need to stay safe while working with chip spreaders. Lastly, we will cover common hazards to watch for when operating a chip spreader and how you should respond to them. To help illustrate the importance of these safety principles, we will also include a few case studies.